be. So thank y'all again for coming. It means a lot to us.
Oh my God, glass is fogging up, my shield fogging up.
Yes. Good morning, y'all. It's Saturday, and as you can see this morning, it's a little foggy. It's about 45 degrees on my thermometer on my bike, so it's a little chilly. But we are riding west today. We're on the way out to meet up with two expeditions for their gathering ride. Looking forward to this one. Get out and meet some new people and check out riding around Possum Kingdom Lake. But we're going to make it through this fog this morning. We're going to stay warm, and we will see you shortly when we get there. We got about 107 miles today to get from the house to our meetup spot at the Jackrabbit Corner in Grayford. Then from there we'll follow on around and do this ride. But hey, thanks for rolling on too as always, and we'll see you in a little while. How you doing, my brother?
It couple in the moto, YouTube moto. That's what you keep saying.
Here's the next one.
YouTubers filming YouTubers.
How you doing? I'm Alan. Nice to meet you. Yep. Y'all.
Well,
thank y'all for putting it together.
well, yeah.
And
Fun.
it's gonna be very nice.
Foggy and fun.
As
Foggy
cool
and
and
fun.
foggy as it is, we got a lot of bikes.
Exactly.
Good mess back there.
Good turnout.
Oh, rolling on through here.
How are you this morning?
Little chilly,
Little chilly.
little chilly. Oh my God, glass is fogging up, my shield fogging up.
Yes.
It's been a mess.
Been a mess, but hey, it's worth a nice little ride coming up.
I told him that's just the way I like it. You do all that hard work and turn out all that nice content, and the rest of it's just right.
Exactly. Exactly.
Hey, Alan.
Hey, brother, how are you?
How's it going?
Man, I'm good. How are you doing?
Good.
Good to see you.
Yeah, you too.
Little.
Man, I read that it was supposed to lift about 10 o'clock.
Yes.
And
warm up. Good turnout.
Well, first off, thank y'all for coming. We know it's not exactly the best weather we've got today, but we're still gonna have a good time. So we're just gonna do typical group formation, just stagger up. The first stretch of road is gonna be right up here. It's a little bit narrower, and there's some good curves and stuff on it, so make sure everybody leaves enough distance between each other. And we're just gonna have a good time. We'll I don't have a map or anything printed out, but we'll just, you know,
I've been lost in this country
just follow the leader. If you do get separated, the first stop is for lunch is going to be at the Hungry Fox. So you can just punch it into your GPS or whatever, do it here, and that's where we'll be. So thank y'all again for coming. It means a lot to us. So
thanks for having us.
Yes.
thank you.
Wait for the fog to go and warm up. Yeah.
I think I found him just not very long ago.
Yeah.
He was doing.
No, now we're gonna just continue down.
Good lunch, good group of guys. Well worth it.
All right, that's a wrap. Said their goodbyes and they're about to head on back to Waxahachie. Been a good day. It's right now 4:22 and shows we're getting home by 6:30, so I'm gonna try to get home before it gets dark. But we will see you when we get there. Give you a mileage check in. Thanks for rolling on 2 today. Appreciate it. Little quick gas stop in Mineral Wells. That'll get us the rest of the way home. I think we're going to cut down 281 to 20, send Terry on his way, and then head on back through Fort Worth to beautiful Waxahachie. Made it home. Good day today. Got to get out and meet some people I hadn't met before. Got to talk to some folks that follow me. If I saw you today and you follow me, I appreciate you very much. Thank you so much for hitting that button. And made it back to the house. It's about 6:45. So it is total miles today from this door to this door and back is 365.9. Great day. I really enjoyed talking to everybody, meeting new people, and the ride out there was just incredible. So great day, well worth it. Glad we did it, and can't wait to do it again. Thank y'all for everybody that was able to make it today, and as always, thank you for rolling on 2, and we will see you on the next one. Take care.